Duhaney Park Primary from St Andrew takes on the journeying team from St Elizabeth Black River Primary. The Team Talk.
Hi, we are Duhaney Park Primary.
My name is Shante Fiddler. I am from Duhaney Park Primary. We have a good relationship. We get along well and we're good friends.
The team members, they are pretty special in the different areas. You know, they are very competent, right? And as the captain told it before, they gel very well. They are good friends, and you know, we work hard together, study hard together, and you know, we are pretty much ready.
Hi, we are Black River Primary and Infant School.
I have 3 boys and 1 girl. My girl is Mishka Bell, and I have here Najir Nish, Ty Grant, and Ahir Dixon. Right? They gel well together, 3 of the same class and 1 in a separate class, in a different class.
By the end of the day, even if we do not win, we will still be glad that we have done our best and that we have studied and we have succeeded very far.
When you are prepared, then there's nothing that can stop you. They have done well in training. They have been responsive to the information that we have been giving to them, and so I know they will do well.
And beginning section 1, we had the coin toss earlier. Duhaney Park 1 decided to have Black River go in first. And in this section, both teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge, and Black River is first. Who bought Joseph as a slave in Egypt?
Two Egyptians.
Potiphar is the correct answer. Duhaney Park, who released Joseph from prison?
Pharaoh.
Or King of Egypt, correct. Science, Black River, what are the 3 main groups of foods in a balanced diet?
Go, glow, and grow foods.
Incorrect, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Duhaney Park, what name is given to the 3 parts of a lever?
Fulcrum, load, and effort.
Michael, will we accept that? Incorrect, effort, pivot, and load, or force, fulcrum, and resistance. Jamaican affairs. Black River, in which Jamaican parish is the Jamaica Zoo?
St. Elizabeth.
Correct. Duhaney Park, in which Jamaican parish is Hope Zoo?
St. Andrew.
Correct. English language, Black River, what is the superlative form of faint?
Faintest.
Correct. Duhaney Park, what is the comparative form of narrow?
Narrower.
Correct. General knowledge, Black River, give a 4-letter word starting with B, which means to turn on a computer.
Book.
Repeat.
Book.
Incorrect. Boot. Duhaney Park, give a 4-letter word starting with D, which means information entered and stored by a computer.
Dock.
It's data. Social studies, Black River, which Caribbean country gained independence on September 19, 1983?
Grenada.
Incorrect, it's St. Kitts and Nevis. Duhaney Park, which Caribbean country gained independence on May 26, 1966?
Barbados.
Incorrect, it's Guyana. We move on to music. Black River, complete the title of this Bob Marley song. Coming in from? Incorrect. It's Coming In From the Cold. Duhaney Park, complete the title of this Bob Marley song. I Shot.
The Sheriff.
Correct. We move on to mathematics. Black River, what is the highest common factor of 12 and 18?
6.
Correct. Duhaney Park, what is the highest common factor of 20 and 25?
5.
Correct. Sports, Black River, who won the women's 100 meters in athletics at the 2016 Summer Olympics?
Elaine Thompson.
Correct. And Duhaney Park, who won the men's 200 meters in athletics at the 2016 Summer Olympics?
Usain Bolt.
Correct. And that's the bell.
Both teams finished the round attempting all their respective questions. Scoreline reads Duhaney Park Primary 6, Black River Primary 4.